Hey there. I got a puppy with the upset tummy, but I want to answer a question I was asked, and I'm not going to say who it was asked by. Um, I'm looking rough. Anyway, it's Saturday, so I'm not trying to be fancy for nobody. So, keto crotch. It's a thing. Whether it's for just females, males and females, just whatever. Yeah. So when I went keto the very first time in 2017, I noticed it. There was like just a funky odor. It wasn't, didn't matter if it was right after I took a shower or not. There's just a funky odor. And I did some research on it, and there were other people that experienced it too. So that really is something. And along with that, whenever I first was carnivore, so that was my first time in 2017. And then this time going back, it happened again. So, I could understand it being a one-off if it was the first time and never happened again. But then the second time, when I went keto and then carnivore, it happened again. Just a funky, weird body odor. Not like, listen, I worked in a hospital and nursing home, so when I say this, don't be offended. Not like little old lady laying in the bed, crotch rot. It's just, I don't know, keto crotch. And so that is a thing. It's just it's a different smell. Like I said, it doesn't matter how much you shower, how much you don't shower, whatever. It doesn't. It's a thing. Mine went away after about 4 to 6 weeks. And like even under your arms and under your boobs, all of it just had a weird odor. And then something else that I had when I first went carnivore, I thought I was going to die. My mouth was so dry, like the back of my tongue was dry, my lips were dry. I felt like in the middle of the night, I would wake up and I would almost be like choking. I felt like there were scabs in the back of my throat because I was so dry. And I even had a CPAP at that time. And so I had it on high moisture. So it wasn't just the fact of me breathing through my mouth. Nothing physically, as far as sleeping had changed, but that's something I just wanted to bring up. Your body does some strange things when you are shifting from using the sugar you eat to using the fat to burning fat as fuel. So there's just a whole lot of weird things that your body will go through. So like I said, foul odor, dry skin, dry mouth, dry throat. Those are real things that I experienced. And so, yeah, it's real. So this is just a real short video, but I just wanted to answer this person. And yeah, sometimes hang on, sorry, I got something in my eye. Sorry, whenever you change your way of eating, your body has to get the toxins out. And so sometimes it comes out through your pores and through your the moisture that you secrete. So so that's real. Keto crotch is real. I think Dr. Barry might have a video on it, but I don't remember if he said it's real or not for him, but it was for me. So I just wanted to share that with you. I got Fanny right here. He's kind of needing some TLC right now. But anyway, so I just want to share that with you because I did get that question, and I want to make sure everybody hears the answer that, yeah, your body puts off some funky smells when you first go keto, and yeah, dry mouth, dry throat, dry tongue. It's a real thing. So, all right, just wanted to update you. Bye.